Good afternoon everyone, and today we're going to be looking at another Geya unboxing. I think I'm pronouncing that right, I'm not too sure. So I bought a Geya before, and it's the white version of this one. Today we're going to be looking at the rose gold version. This one obviously comes in a bit more of a standard box with the Moments for Lifestyle printing on the front. Really nice little overall coverall for the watch box to sit in. Box is very well presented. Looks a little bit different to one of the other ones. The other one had a yellow tab, this is a red one. This little flap just lifts up and then that reveals the actual watch compartment inside. Some of them come with a watch holder in here, which is a like a figure of a spaceman. Obviously we get an instruction manual on here. Our warranty card included. Another booklet. The main part we want to be looking at is the main watch itself. Watch also comes with a replacement strap, a silicone strap, if you're not a big fan of the leather that's on this. Put that to one side. So this is the Geya Planetary Flywheel Mechanical Watch, G78182, part of their Celestial series. Has a 46mm case diameter, a 22mm case thickness with a huge dome across the top. In terms of movement, the movement uses a dual core hybrid. So a dual core hybrid means that a part of the watch operates on quartz, part of it operates on a mechanical part. For this watch's example, the quartz movement operates the time on this little sub dial here, whereas the mechanical flywheel, as you can see at the top here, operates the back plate and these little domes here. That makes those move around the face. Obviously, it only would work when it's fully wound up, and I can't get to the actual crown because of the way the crown's situated on the back. So getting a little bit closer. Oh, actually, one more other thing. The watch weighs around about 120, 140 grams, if you wanted to know. In terms of waterproofness, it's not stated, but my assumption is it's probably 30 meters because of the specialty of this watch. Retail price around about $479.99 in a promotion, but if it's outside of that, it'll be about 600 or so in terms of dollars. Obviously, the watch has sort of two or three main components. Obviously the watch face, the flywheel, and the celestial wheel that goes around here. Really nice. I've got this watch as well to compare it against in like a crystal clear version, which is really nice in a gift box. So stay tuned for that video if you can. You'll notice that there's no crown on this watch. That's because the crown is integrated into the actual back of the watch. You rotate that in a certain way to adjust the time, rather than it being a crown. Makes the casing look a lot smoother. The casing itself is believed to be stainless steel, although it's not stated. With it's obviously stainless steel with the glass components making up the rest. I assume it's probably mineral glass. Usually they state if it's sapphire, if it is indeed sapphire. We've got a nice back plate here with a spaceman and a planet on there. A few markings. Doesn't appear to be a limited edition model. I can't see any markings on the watch to show that it is. Matching with this watch itself is the a navy blue style strap with navy blue stitching to match. No sort of rings to prevent stretch on the leather, but some people prefer that. So I like the idea of it stretching to fit your wrist a bit better. The only way to obviously do that is to wear it a bit tighter for a few days so it stretches into place. Has a beige finish on the back. It's also quick release. If you get fed up of the strap itself, you can just quickly pop those off on both sides and then you've obviously can put a different strap on it. So there we go, guys. That is the Geya Planetary Flywheel watch in rose gold. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.